this user and try to log in root user from GUI mode. I'm back to my login screen, selecting root user, typing its password, and login success. Hello guys, my name is Abhishek and you are watching TechSet. Till now, we have seen how we can reset user passwords in different conditions, but we didn't try to log in root user from GUI mode. Let's give it a try. So I'm back to my Ubuntu screen, selecting root user, typing its password. Unfortunately, no success. To fix this issue, we have to change some parameters into files. Number 1, GDM file, which will allow root user to log in from GUI mode. Number 2, GDM password, which will allow root user to use the password so that it can log in from GUI mode. To make changes in above files, log in with sudo user, which is my Ubuntu user. Switch to root user, or you can make changes using Ubuntu user. Type the command vim etc gdm custom.conf. Here just type allow root equal to true and save this file. Now edit GDM password file. For that I'm typing the command vim etc pam.d /gdm -password. You can set the line numbers. Here just comment the line number 3, which denies root access to graphical user interface with password. And save this file. Now log out this user and try to log in root user from GUI mode. I'm back to my login screen, selecting root user, typing its password, and login success. Question time guys, now tell me, can we log in root user from GUI mode in Ubuntu? You can type your answers in next 10 seconds below the comment section. So that's all from my side. If you like my videos, then hit like, make comments and share my videos on WhatsApp and Facebook so that we can spread the knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.